Hello guys, so today we are going to unboxing the new Uncharted The Lost Legacy. So here you can see the Uncharted Lost Legacy case in my hands. It cost me about 2500 in Indian rupees, and let's go ahead and peel off the seal. You can see there is a Sony PS4 seal on this plastic wrap, and now let's go and pull off this plastic wrap. Okay, so it is a little bit hard, needs some instruments. Okay, so it is feeling very smooth and nice experience to opening the wrap of this absolutely great game, the Uncharted The Lost and Legacy. Okay, so you can see clearly guys that there are two ladies on the cover photo of the case, and there is simply written Uncharted The Lost Legacy, and this game is only available on PlayStation. It has PEGI 60 ratings, and it really feels very nice. And this is a front view of the case, and with two ladies. I think these are the main heroes of the series, and there is a brief description about the game on behind the case. Okay, now let's open this cover and see what's inside in this cover. So guys, as you can see that the CD disc is in my hands, and it has just simply art cover, not too much creative, simply just written Uncharted The Lost Legacy, and it has some kinds of terms and conditions written on it on some company logos. The box also includes some paperwork like voucher code, which is given on that if you had pre-ordered the game or you are purchasing the game on the time of release, then you will get two voucher codes. One is for some downloadable content, and other you will get a free game, and the name of the game is That's You. It's also comes with voucher code, and after that stuff, there are some kind of instructions for the controls of games, and some kind of PlayStation Plus advertisement paperwork. Okay, now let's put beside this paperwork and put the disc in the PlayStation system, and let's go ahead and see that how the games look like.
That one is my favorite. It makes your eyes twinkle.
Does it now?
Half price if you buy two.
Wow. You again? Is this your store?
No, my father's.
How much?
800 rupees, please.
800 rupees.
Okay, for you, 550.
Incredible. So, does your father usually leave you here alone?
No, he's away fighting the devils.
The Indian army called him up, did they?
No, he volunteered.
Really? Well, if it was my choice, I wouldn't leave you here alone. All right. That's 300.
Better deal. 400 rupees plus Ganesh.
You don't want this. It's broken. See?
You don't know the story? Ganesh fought Parashuram was demigod at his father's door.
Yes, to defend the honor of his father, Shiva, and got his tusk hacked off for his troubles.
Interesting.
Anyway, it's not for sale. Right on time. Okay, look. 600 rupees. You can keep the change.
Hey, wait! Hey! You need the guy.
Oh? And what'll that cost me?
My sister needs me. How am I supposed to get connected?
Be on that truck before it goes.
So, you're Ganesh.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. And if you had any suggestions, please comment down below. Thanks guys for watching this video.